Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. It's been a hot minute since I've filmed anything for the channel because the last video, as you might know, that I filmed in order by when it was filmed. That was a very long video, the startup and shutdown video, and I got kind of burned out from filming after all of that. So I took a little break, but now I'm back with some actual content. Anyway, this is another retro unboxing. It's been a minute since I've done any one of these. This here is the Samsung A167. This is a blue flip phone from AT&T GoPhone, which was their former name for the prepaid service. Now it's just known as AT&T Prepaid. So I'm going to take a look around the box here, which is just this retail plastic box with two sides of information. It's kind of beat up here. As you can see, the plastics are cracked, but I got this because this phone's kind of rare. So anyways, here are some features of the phone, which include ringtones, long distance calling, messaging, rollover balance, and mobile web. Instant messaging. Here is one of their plans and about GoPhone. And as you can see here, 1109, that's when this was packaged. That is November 2009, so this phone is about 12 years old. And it says it includes $30 worth of airtime, but I am assuming that is if you were to have activated this back in the day, it would have given you that airtime for free. It just won't give you that without activating. Turning over here, you can see the inside of the phone. And here is your GoPhone plan information. Here's what the box includes, which is the phone, SIM card, charger, which I'm assuming is a proprietary charger, manuals, and that sort of thing. And here is all of your fine print. You can read that if you'd like. Nothing interesting though. So because this is a very frustrating, according to a lot of people, plastic packaging, I am going to try and be very careful with this so then I don't damage the box too much and so then I don't hurt myself either while doing that. Well, that took way too long, but I did it. My intention was keeping this top part here, making sure I wouldn't have to cut it off. As you can see, this box is pretty mangled now. Pretty bad, but anyway, I can just do this, and here are the contents of the box. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. First thing here, the phone. Please don't text and drive. Good advice. Looks very nice. I'll set this to the side. Here is the GoPhone SIM card, which supports 3G connection, although this is actually a 2G phone, so it does not need 3G. 2008. The battery, 800 milliamp hours. The proprietary charger here. You can see this is just the small tip. And the user guides. So here are the three things that I'm going to need to get this phone turned on. The phone, of course. The battery, hopefully this thing has a charge in it, and the SIM card because I'm almost certain this phone's going to require one. So first, let's get this battery out of the bag here. Slide it into the phone here. and the SIM card. So before peeling off the screen protectors, I'm going to take a look around the phone here. This is the camera, the external screen, Samsung logo, AT&T logo, volume buttons, charger port and headphone jack, the hinge, the back cover with the Samsung logo, earpiece, AT&T logo, internal screen, Samsung logo, directional buttons with the selecting button, menu keys, send, back, end, and the number pad. So now let's peel off the screen protectors here. And let's turn on the phone. I'm sure this is going to have the same sound as many budget Samsung phones did at the time. And I was correct. The battery on this phone here is getting pretty low. And that was the retro unboxing of the Samsung A167 from AT&T GoPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.